Hey everyone, Fluffy here from techbeatph, and today we're diving into the Redmi Watch 5, a sleek and feature-packed smartwatch designed for both fitness and everyday convenience. This device isn't just stylish, it's practical, packed with health monitoring tools, Bluetooth calling, and an ultra-smooth AMOLED display. And before we get into it, a quick reminder, the Xiaomi All-Star Summer Concert is happening on the 27th of April at Enchanted Kingdom, showcasing some of the best AIoT devices, including the Redmi Watch 5. Let's get started. Let's open the box. Right away, we've got the Redmi Watch 5, a beautifully crafted aluminum alloy frame, a rotating crown for easy navigation, and a quick release strap. This thing feels premium yet lightweight, making it an awesome everyday smartwatch. It's built for active users, whether you're working out, staying connected, or tracking health data. First up, the ultra-large 2.07 AMOLED display. With an 82% screen-to-body ratio, you get plenty of space for notifications, health insights, and fitness tracking. Navigating is incredibly smooth, thanks to its 60Hz refresh rate. Whether I'm scrolling through apps or responding to messages, the interface feels fast and intuitive. And for those heading to the Xiaomi All-Star Summer Concert, this watch is perfect for quick updates, Bluetooth calling, and AI-powered features to keep your day running smoothly. This is where things get serious. The Redmi Watch 5 features 5-system GNSS tracking, ensuring precise running and cycling routes. Heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and even stress detection help you stay aware of your health at all times. It even supports sleep tracking, which means waking up with clear recovery stats to improve energy levels. Battery life? 24 days without always-on display, which is insane for a smartwatch. Bluetooth calling works seamlessly thanks to its dual microphone noise reduction. I can play music directly on the watch, and the vibration feedback is sharp thanks to the linear motor. Now, let's talk durability. The 5 atmospheres rating means it handles water exposure with zero issues, whether you're caught in the rain or taking a swim. Add in the camera control, compass, and multiple AI-powered features, and this becomes the perfect all-around smartwatch. Final verdict? Redmi Watch 5 is stylish, smart, and built for action. We give this smartwatch a silver rating. Catch it in action at the Xiaomi All-Star Summer Concert on the 27th of April at Enchanted Kingdom. Head over to Xiaomi stores and online platforms to grab yours now.
Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if this smartwatch is the upgrade you've been waiting for.